Undoubtedly, rape is one of the most abominable work. Bangladesh is a third world developing country with high amount of illiteracy and unemployment rate. The number of rape incidents in Bangladesh is increasing in an alarming rate. According to the 22nd May 2019 report of New Age newspaper, on an average 10.57 rape cases were filed in a day in 5 years period between 2014 and 2018, as the number of the filing rape case was 3,949 in 2018. According to Ain o Shalish Kendro, a total of 1,413 females were subjected to rape in 2019. Of them, 76 were killed after rape and 10 other victims killed themselves. Rights activists said that the actual number of rape incidents was much higher than the number of cases is filed, as a large number of cases of sexual violence and rape remained underreported. So in this video, I will discuss what is rape and enlighten you how a rape victim can get legal remedies according to Bangladeshi law. If any person does sexual intercourse with any woman above the age of 16 based on the following grounds will be considered as rape: against her will, against her consent, when such consent is gained by death threat or threat of assault, when such consent is gained by misleading the woman as she is in marital relation with the man. And if any person does sexual intercourse with any girl under the age of 16, whether with or without her consent, will be considered as rape. So that means if anyone does sexual intercourse with any girl under 16, consent doesn't matter. What should do when someone got raped? Disclose the matter to any of your trustable and reliable person, and do any other person within a very short time of the occurrence if there are reasonable grounds to believe that the person could be a potential witness and can influence the case. Preserve evidence and prove. Do not take shower. Do not take shower after getting raped, as it washed the evidence away from the body. So the victim should not take shower and even should not wash any part of her body before finishing medical checkup. The evidence or proof of rape remain on victim's body till 72 hours or 3 days if she doesn't take bath. Do not launder apparel. The victim should not launder, wash, clean the tunic, attire, apparel she wear during rape by any means. It needs to preserve in a paper-made bag, not any kinds of polythenic bag. I repeat, not polythenic bag. Evidence get damaged in polythenic bag. Medical checkup. If any rape offense is committed, the victim should in no delay go to any nearest public or private infirmary for medical attention. The victim should not take shower before visiting doctor. Besides, the One-Stop Crisis Center situated in Divisional Medical College Hospital provides all necessary services from one place. It is recommended to bring one extra set of apparels when the victim go to doctor, as there is high possibility that police will retain the tunic as an evidence or for forensic. With the consent of victim, it is necessary to appear for medical checkup as early as possible within 72 hours after the rape offense committed. The hospital officials will elaborate how they will conduct the medical checkup before they start it. The medical practitioner will write down every single marks, sign or proof found during checkup along with the mental condition of the victim and submit it before appropriate police officer. Filing complaint at police station. Complaint can be filed in police station by the woman who is the rape victim or any other person on behalf of her appearing in the police station. Complaint can also be submitted through registered post. Police will write down the complaint and read it before the victim, and then victim will sign after hearing it. The complainant should preserve a copy of his complaint signed by the duty officer. If in any case after filing the complaint the police refuse to accept it or take no action, then the victim herself or anyone on behalf of her can file a complaint before Nari o Shishu Nirjaton Damon Tribunal. Victim Support Center Cell. To stop violence against women and children, Bangladesh Police established Victim Support Center in various places across the country. With the help of 10 NGO, police provide 24/7 service in this center. Who can come to Victim Support Center? Women and children who are the victims of rape, abduction and human trafficking, missing children, any women and children who are flown from home, victims of sexual assault. Victim Support Center provide following services: provide necessary information to the victims, listen to the victim attentively and find out their problems, file complaint on behalf of the victim, inform them about the legal procedure, provide emergency medical assistance, help them in the investigation process, can provide shelter to the victim for maximum 5 days. Legal aid. The rape victim should take legal advice upon consulting with a lawyer. A rape victim should write down all the description of the offenses which will help her in the time of witness. Where trial held. All rape cases are tried in Nari or Shishu Nirjatan Daman Tribunal situated at District Judge Court. Bail. Rape cases are non-bailable offense. Rape case is not comprisable, so no settlement possible outside of court. Investigation. If the accused person of rape arrested when committing offense, police needs to finish the investigation within 15 days. Otherwise, according to the order of the court, duty officer of the police station shall finish the investigation within 60 days. This time can be extended to another 30 days with reasonable excuse. Trial procedure. Nari or Shishu Nirjatan Daman Tribunal will finish the trial within 180 days. Trial shall continue without any kind of interval. If the offender is a child, trial will be held according to child law. If the victim has been threatened during trial, Honorable Court with their consent can send them to safe custody. Punishment for rape. If the rape victim died for getting raped, all the accused person shall be held liable to capital punishment or rigorous life imprisonment and additional fine of 1 lakh taka. If someone tried to kill or wound the victim after raping her, all the convicted persons shall liable to rigorous life imprisonment and additional pecuniary compensation. If anyone get raped in police custody, all the convicted shall impose maximum 10 years and minimum 5 years of rigorous life imprisonment and additional pecuniary compensation of minimum 10,000 taka. Provisions for the child in result of rape. If any child born in result of rape, that child shall be kept in mother's or maternal relatives' custody. That child is entitled to be known as both his father's and mother's identities. A state will provide all the expenses of the child maintenance till the age of 21. A state can claim this money from the convicted party. Well, that's all for today. Make sure you stay tuned. If you are new to my channel and watching me for the very first time, please consider subscribing so that you can get future content and don't miss out them. Make sure you click the bell icon, and if you have already subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate that.